Hi again folks, how's all doing? Just wanted to do a very quick layout update video because my next video will be a repair request. Yep, getting back into it. And during the running session of that video, you'll see what I've done. But I wanted to talk about it first before letting you see it during a running session. So my little village is back in situ on the layout. You can see I've got a few more trees in. The gardens are more or less done. Still got a few things to add. And I want to get some more trees up behind the houses there and along the back of the layout because that looks a bit bare. So I've got my little farm shop in with a little bit of parking space and a little track going up past the little house. I don't have a name for the farm or the farm shop yet. I need to be thinking about that. But this track will continue on along here. I need to get that plastered up and get working on that, and I'm going to get some more of this walling to go on the other side and maybe a wall up here as well. But I've kind of paused work here at the moment to concentrate on getting the car park and the cafe in. So that's the car park in, painted, a little level crossing. I've gone for modern barriers rather than old ones. The barriers I used were the Hornby single track ones, which is this thing. So I've used the barriers and I've used the centrepiece as well, which I've painted up. But I didn't like the little road sections either side. To me, it doesn't quite look to scale, but I couldn't find decent modern looking barriers for a small single track level crossing. So yeah, they'll have to do just now, but if I ever see anything better, we'll get it in. Obviously I've still to get road markings in. I'll need to get the parking spaces in and some, we'll build a big box junction across here, including the level crossing. I'll need to get some traffic lights as well and maybe some road markings elsewhere. So I've got some security fencing around the car park. I'm going to put a pedestrian underpass in, possibly here or possibly there, and that'll take you out to the other side of the railway. I'm just going to use the Metcalfe card one, I think. I did buy one from Amazon, but I had to send it back because half of it was missing. And I've done some work on the cafe. There it is. And it's called the buffer stop. So I'm going to get a little buffer stop to put in here as a little kind of showpiece. I'm going to get some more tables and chairs. We'll paint these tables and chairs up. I'm going to put a fence along here with a gap to allow access. I quite like the idea of a post and chain fence for that. So it'll be kind of open to the car park but fenced off. And I want to get some more potted plants, maybe some hanging baskets if I can get them. I've ordered up a little platform to go next to the coach here, which is going to be the restaurant. But the little building there is cafe and gift shop, and we'll get some more outdoor tables and chairs. Little sign there that I made and printed off and stuck on. Maybe get a couple of other signs, but I'm quite pleased how that's looking. I think we'll get some trees in here, just to make it look a bit overgrown. But yeah, it's getting there. Nearly done. Once we get the road markings in, a little bit of fencing, some trees, and some more outdoor furniture, and we'll get the wee platform in, painted up, maybe some hanging baskets on the coach or something. I think I'll maybe weather the roof of the coach. But there we go, that's going to be the Buffer Stop Cafe. I don't think Bobby the barmaid's going to be too chuffed. So there you go, that was just a very quick video to let you see what I've done before my next repair request video, which should be out next week, I would imagine. I'm just about to start work on a locomotive. But I think we'll get some trains on for a wee bit. Catch us later, folks.